The other day, I made a video about 100 digital product ideas with ratings out of 5 for beginner friendliness, potential to make $100 per day, and maintenance effort. I got this list from AI, and this video was the inspiration to make my video. And in the video, I showed that the 5 side hustles that this guy has shared are not the best one. At least his sequence was not the best. And to support my argument, I shared this result. Yeah, according to this list, creating online courses, video or text-based, has the highest potential to make $100 per day. And it's also one of the best for maintenance effort, because once you create an online course, it's pretty much done. You do not have to do anything about it for a long time. However, there is a problem. Creating an online course is not quite beginner friendly. Although using AI, it can be super easy, but my viewers, followers, subscribers, clients, customers, and even the members of our 99% Done For You program don't have time to create an online course. And even they don't have the expertise to put all the information together and turn them into an online course. So the solution for them is a 99% Done For You system is affiliate marketing. As an affiliate, you just have to pick another course creator's course or promote it to your traffic. And that's where the problem is, even for my 99% Done For You students and members. Because without traffic, without customers, you make no money. But I also shared that they have a solution. They use AI and they make short videos. Members of my 99% Done For You program don't have to make long videos like this, or even like me. I do this because I practiced for a long time. But again, even making short videos is not easy for a complete beginner. We publish training videos like this every single day to help people like you who are busy, have a 9-to-5 day job, don't have a lot of time to learn and do everything yourself. We try to make it comprehensive and bite-sized at the same time. We try to make it step by step as much as possible, and we need a favor from you. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. This way, we can hit our goal of getting 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and you can be notified when we will upload our next money video. And if you think these videos are good, feel free to share with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to our channel as well. Let's go. So one of the many techniques that our students are taught is called 3-line system. You can also call it P, P, and P. And you can use this system with an extremely popular and almost guaranteed to work, completely beginner friendly content creation system. And this system does not need you to be creative at all. It doesn't take time, and you don't need to be technical. And even your favorite gurus use it every single day. It's called reaction videos. Alex Hormozi has 3.13 million subscribers. If you go to his shorts, then you will see a specific type of video, which are also the easiest to make, are getting a lot of views and a lot of engagements. If you compare the views of all these videos on the screen, you'll see this video has 500,000 views. Another one, almost 500,000 views. Let's go and have a look at it.
I saw a video, kind of like business guru guy, and he's saying some stuff like, you know, he had a little bed in the gym where he was personal training.
Do you see what he is doing? He's watching another person's video and he's reacting on it. And at the end of the video, he will add something like his own thoughts, or he will find some mistakes in the video, maybe pros, maybe cons. And that's the next one.
They haven't really invented anything great in a while. It's like Steve Jobs invented the iPhone and now they're just kind of sitting on it.
There's 2 ways that companies will typically innovate.
And this video is also another type of reaction video. Now look around and you will find he reacts on tons and tons of people's work. For example, this video of the Prime brand and Logan Paul, and this video, 93-year-old billionaire's life advice. Go ahead, have a look yourself. Now this is Valuetainment, a channel from Patrick Bet-David, 6.6 million subscribers. If you look at a few of his short videos, let's check this one.
All these videos that go viral on TikTok, I don't know if you've seen it. It's a prank. The mother and the daughter, or the mother and the son, play a prank on their dad. The daughter tells the mom, "Shut up, mom." And you just see the dad all of a sudden, "Wait, what did you say? It's a prank, it's a prank, it's a prank." See, that's the fear. You don't talk to your mom like that.
So you see how it is done? It's not only one video, it's a reaction on multiple videos on the same topic. Here is another one, 11 million views, the 3rd most popular.
I think about this every single day, and I'm sorry if I sound stupid. If somebody has $500 and they've already paid taxes on it, and they
He's basically reacting on another person's video. And at the end, he will share his own thought. This is Ben Alistair on TikTok. Nowadays, he makes his own video. But if you scroll a little down, you'll see all of his past videos were reaction videos. See, this video got 955,000 views, almost 1 million views.
Two biggest rules in business to make money, yeah?
I can think of more than two, but let's see what he says.
You see what I'm talking about? Now, this is my page on TikTok. You see, this video right here got 51,000 views.
This guy makes $2 million a month with a business idea many overlook.
And he does it in just 3 steps. Step number 2 will make you money. First, start with step 1.
If you have an idea,
You got the point. It's a reaction video. Here's another one, 40,000 views.
This is a YouTube channel I started 5 months ago. This was it in week 1, week 2, week 5.
And this video right here got 153,000 views
Excuse me, what do you do
in just 2 days.
for a living?
I sell jets. No way.
He sells jets, not cars, Lambos, Rolls Royce. He sells jets. Almost the full video is me reacting on another video. But from time to time, I shared my thoughts, values, and at the end, a call to action. If we look at the analytics, this one video brought me 1.5 thousand followers. Okay, so before we show you how to do it, let's talk about why it works. Now, you might be saying, Mosh, I'm a busy 9 to 5er. I have a day job. I'm completely busy, and I have no experience. I have never done this before. How can I do it? Before I show you how, let me first tell you why it works. You see, a video or a content has basically 3 sections. Number 1 is hook. With hook, you draw attention. You basically stop people from scrolling. Now, once you hook them like a fish, you should deliver what you promised in the hook. And if you do it right, you will get likes and even subscriptions or follow. Now that you built a relationship with the viewer and they know you, someone with authority, someone they can trust, someone they can love, now you add a call to action. Maybe you ask them to click your link, or you ask them to follow, or do something along the line. But before you ask them to do something, you're going to basically first promise. That's the first P. And then you provide. That's the second P. And the third one is interesting. You poke them. You build a relationship already. Poke them and ask them to do something for them. That's important. You're not gonna poke them for you. You're gonna poke them. So your call to action, which is your poke, must have some benefits that they are looking for. And this benefit has to be in line with the promise. Right, that sounds like a lot, but hey, just go ahead, watch my videos, and you will know what I'm talking about. Now, how to use AI to make reaction video? I call it 3-line system. This is line number 1, which is the first P, promise. This is line number 2, which is the second P, provide. And this is line number 3, which is poke them to do something for them. My 3-line T, AI agent, to write a script for me. I'm gonna click this start teasing button, and it asks for a source or the original video, like the video we're going to react on or something like that. I'm gonna take this one video and copy the video URL, Ctrl V, and hit enter. Now my agent is asking me about the customer avatar. It's okay for me, so I'm gonna say go. Now I don't want to write any hook. If I have any hook, I'm gonna write it, but at this moment I just want AI to write it from the content. So I'm gonna click go. Now it's asking for existing content, which is an existing video that we are going to react on. So I'm going to copy the whole transcript and paste it right here. Click enter, and that's it. Now there is some other questions. You don't have to think about it. Just type go and hit enter. No need to worry about this. Go. And the moment I hit go, it writes the whole 3-line script for me. So here is how it works. Let me show you my 3 lines. The first line consists of these 2 paragraphs. One is a simple sentence that resonates directly with my audience. For example, imagine making $10,000 a month while chilling in your pajamas. Sounds crazy, right? Well, keep watching, because these 5 laziest ways to make money online could change your life. Now that is the hook, but the hook extends to an interesting acronym, which is lazy. And you have probably seen me these kind of acronyms writing on my drawing board or my iPad. And every acronym means something. For example, L stands for launch an Etsy store. A stands for automate with drop shipping. Z stands for zero cost. Y stands for yield commissions. And S stands for scale automated YouTube channel. And as the video proceeds, I will stop in places and explain each of these. Now, this section clarifies the acronym steps. So if I need help, then I can just read it from here. So this is the line number 2, which is provide. Now, the third line is call to action, which is this line. This is my Instagram page, and the same exact video that went viral on TikTok got 16,000 views, which is above average in my page. And if you go to insights, you see it added 45 followers. But if we take a more serious example than this one, this is a reaction video. It went so well that this one video added 24,758 new followers. So out of 163,000 followers, 24,000 followers came from this one video, but from this one post, because I have posted many times, and every time a couple of hundred new followers were added. I posted the same video in the past and got 10,000 views, got 15 followers from this. Okay, that's not all. There is another easy way to make reaction videos. Start with the other video. Well, you just look at it, because this other video already has a hook or a big promise, and that's why it went viral. So again, it's a 3P system and a 3-line system. Use the built-in promise of the video that you are using. So show the video first, pause somewhere wherever applicable, and react. Say something, your own thought, your own input, agree or disagree. And number 3, poke at the end. Add a call to action. I recently started doing another thing, which is instead of adding call to action, I create an open loop. I ask something agitating, like, hey, what's stopping you from making money? It seems to be working well right now. Here is a video. I used this system recently and it worked really well. Not gonna believe it, this website makes $99,000 a month, one-page website. And yes, in case you're wondering, this video got me 9,616 followers from this one posting. And I have posted it multiple times already, got around 12,000 followers from this one video alone. Website makes $99,000 a month, one-page website. See this website right here? The only job of this website is to create a fake email for you, okay? Fake email. And it runs Google AdSense advertisements and nothing else in this website. Now look at this. This website gets 1.1 million visitors per month, and most of the visitors are from US, Canada, tier 1 countries. So I went to this AdSense calculator. If your traffic from tier 1, then for 1.1 million visitors per month, you will earn $99,000 minimum, starting from $99,000 to $142,000. What is stopping you from making money, dude? You see how I ended the video? It wasn't a call to action. It was another poke. So, reaction plus 3-9 system. What is stopping you? We use AI and we learn new skills fast. Then we use our newly learned skill and knowledge. We make short videos. Then we upload those videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube as short videos. And because these guys are in a war to get attention through short videos, they sent us a lot of traffic to our AI-powered automated sales funnel. This automated sales funnel does the selling on our behalf, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 to $1,000 in sales revenue or sometimes sales commission. This process helps us focus on only one thing. Use simple short videos from 30 seconds to 1 minute long and get all the traffic we want. You can see this account, this $471,615 was made using exactly this method. Even the beginner members of our program are doing it. You can see these commissions. 95% of these people who earned high ticket affiliate commissions joined our program as a complete beginner. If you think this is something that you want to learn more about, there is a link in the description. Go check that link. It will take you to a complete training where we explain you step by step what we do and how we help beginners to get this kind of results. And at the end, we will tell you about our program. The video is completely free to watch. Go ahead, watch the video, and we will see you inside. If you have questions after watching the video, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. And if you want to learn more about making money online, getting free traffic, watch these videos and these videos. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and we will see you on the next video.